Which strategy describes the HP operating system roadmap? Option A. Continue to offer Windows, Linux, HP UX and HP True 64 Unix. Migrate MPE/9 customers to HP UX. Option B. Continue to offer HP UX, Windows, Linux and HP True 64 Unix. Migrate HP OpenVMS customers to HP True 64 Unix. Option C. Continue to offer HP UX and Windows. Migrate HP True 64 Unix and HP OpenVMS customers to HP Nonstop kernel. Option D. Continue to offer HP Nonstop kernel, HP OpenVMS, Linux and Windows. Migrate True 64 Unix customers to HP UX. The correct answer is option D. What will an HP RX server do if a double-bit memory error occurs? Option A. Detect the error and automatically initiate an MCA. Option B. Use ECC to correct the error and deallocate that memory DIMM online. Option C. Detect the error and use chip spare to deallocate that specific DIMM chip. Option D. Use ECC to correct the error and deallocate that memory page online. The correct answer is option C. You have limited access to NP, but you have full access to the System Baseboard Management Console, BMC. Which command do you issue in the BMC command line interface, CLI, to power off the system hardware? Option A. CLI P0. Option B. CLI RS1. Option C. CLI PC0. Option D. CLI Lock0. The correct answer is option A. You need to verify that an HP Integrity Server RX has the latest firmware. Which command do you use in the EFI shell to gather the information? Option A. sysrev. Option B. virfw. Option C. infofw. Option D. openinfofw. The correct answer is option C.